Hi, my name's Ben, a native English speaker and teacher here on italki. Welcome to my channel. Hola, me llamo Benjamín. Soy profesor de inglés aquí en italki. Me encanta aprender e enseñar, por eso estoy aquí. Pero cuando no estoy trabajando, prefiero pasar tiempo en el jardín, cocinando o ir en bici por la ciudad de Milwaukee, Estados Unidos, donde vivo. I grew up in England and the United States, making it difficult even for native speakers to know where I'm from. But this also means that if you learn English with me, I can teach you how to speak in a variety of different accents, such as the received pronunciation accent, which is used in BBC radio programs and television series. Or, if you prefer, I could teach you how to speak Scouse, like you're one of the Beatles. And of course, living here in the United States, I've managed to pick up an American neutral accent, which can be very helpful for business English or communicating with anyone across this country. Oh, and another accent is the Midwest regional accent. It's from up in the northern states, and it's kind of close to a Canadian English. Claro que puedo hablar el inglés en distintos acentos, pero también hablo el español. He estudiado español desde era niño y también vivía 4 meses en el Ecuador aprendiendo de la gente ahí. Entonces, si hablas español y quieres mejorar tu inglés, podemos hacernos un equipo perfecto para que alcances la próxima nivel. As a language learner myself, I understand how difficult it can be when the lesson material is irrelevant to you or boring or just not engaging at all. You feel like you won't get anywhere. But trust me, my approach to learning is student-centered. This means we'll be diving into material that fascinates you, that keeps you engaged and makes learning easy, not just educational, but fun. So click the link down below and schedule your first lesson with me. I can't wait to start learning with you. Hasta luego.